Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. We have here the fourth puzzle. Yes, we have solved three puzzles, and this one will be the fourth one. A tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 3302. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. So could be an easy one. But it's a 4 stars, and for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual box. I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and a 2, but I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Do we have more dual boxes here? Here, another one. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Alright. Dual box. Triple box. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? No. I see only a quadra box here. Yeah. The 4 is already filled in. Okay. So the next stage. Oh, here another quadra box. The 1 and the 2 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and the 4. Alright. No quadra boxes anymore. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or structures or construction, whatever you name it. And the first shape is a L shape. Let me draw this, the L shape. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. Okay, this box cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in this L shape. This box can also not be a 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4. Double 3 and a double 4 there. So this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. It can also not be a 2. So which number or which digits is left? One digit left should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. Alright. Let me think. The L shape here. So this box is connected with that box. Here another L shape. So this box is connected with that box. More L shapes? No, there are 2 L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, the T shape, upside down, this one. Yeah, upside down. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Let me draw this here. Okay, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes in this puzzle, but there are more of these kind of shapes that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle, we have 4 of them. All right. So the next stage, the next step is to start filling the numbers. Yes, then it's easy to fill the numbers if you know those boxes. Yes, has the same number. All right. So let's get started with filling the numbers. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 and 3 in this quarter box should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this quarter box for the number 2. Alright. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes. Wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also, that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 here. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there in this area. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 4, so the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this area. For the number 3, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. It should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Alright, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Am I stuck here? I'm missing the 2. Well, 1, 3, 4. Missing the 2. Well, let me finish with this box. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3, and the 4 I'm missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Let me see, 3. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 and a 3. Now we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. These 4 boxes are left. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Finishing for 15 minutes. Wow. 15 minutes. I'm very surprised. Because I've told you 30 minutes or more. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. I think it's rather a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a.k.a. Sudoku. a.k.a. Sudoku mix. Until then, bye-bye for now.